We are pleased to show you the 2017 LX. The Lexus LX is a full-size sport utility vehicle, SUV, sold by Lexus since 1996. 3 generations of the Lexus LX have been produced, all based heavily on the long-running Toyota Land Cruiser series of SUVs. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, fog lights, 4-wheel disc brakes, front wheel independent suspension, roof rack, navigation system, tachometer, leather shift knob, leather-wrapped steering wheel. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.